Today I want to show you how to installation this on Windows 10. Click the Google Chrome, type Windows 10 download. Click the first, make sure the Microsoft official website and scroll it down and click download tools now and click start download. And access a file, go to this PC and download. Add the file program, double click the so now the tools are getting ready for installation. Accept it. Click create installation media and click next. Make sure the architecture is 64-bit. Choose ISO file. Next. And put the location at desktop. And wait for the downloading Windows 10 complete. Now I finished my download Windows 10. This is a installation media.